So we're in the OpenStax Statistics, Chapter 9 Excel file. So we're talking about hypothesis testing. We're doing the example with blood type. You can always access the OpenStax text for free. Just check the description in the video for the link, and you can get the Excel workbook for free at dividingconquermath.com. Just go to the OpenStax Statistics section. So we have that statistical data indicates in a certain country there are approximately 268 million residents aged 12 and older, and for a certain period of time, there was data to indicate that the percentage of residents with AB negative was 207,754. And so this translates into 0.078% with this rare blood type. And then within this country, there were 11 people with the blood type out of this population of 37,000. So we're going to conduct an appropriate hypothesis test to determine if there is a statistically significant difference between the percentage of residents in the entire country with AB negative versus the percentage in the local province. And we're going to use a significance level of 0.01, and for this one, we're only going to use p-values. So I always say you need to know your hypothesis or your hypotheses first. So I usually have those written off on the side, so I just need to state them on this Excel spreadsheet. So here are my hypotheses, and so we're just being asked if there is a difference. That's it. So is there a difference between what this county has versus the country on a whole? So per usual, we want to take a second just to kind of note our data. And so we're clearly dealing with percentages or proportions. So we just need to kind of use all the formulas associated with that. So the percentage that the proportion that I'm working with is this 0.00078. And then the information that I'm given, so I've got my X versus my N. So there's 11 people in this county out of 37,937. So the proportion that I'm testing against is going to be this 11 out of that 37,000 number. Okay, and so from here, we can compute our test statistic. So for our test stat, so I always take my p sub naught times 1 minus, oops, sorry, I'm going the wrong way. So I start by taking my p prime minus by p naught, and then I divide that by the square root of, and now I take my p sub naught times 1 minus my p sub naught, and then I divide all of that by my n. Okay, so there's my test statistic, negative 3.41. Okay, so from here, we're going to use the standard normal distribution. So I would challenge you to see if you can finish this one and then hit play when you're ready. So we're using the standard normal distribution. So this is going to be centered at 0. And we're only using p-values. So remember, when you're using p-values and it's a two-tailed test, you need to have the same symmetric kind of p-value on each side. So this test statistic only gets you half of the p-value. So let's go ahead then and calculate what the area is here. So I'm going to use my norm.s.dist. I take my test statistic and, oops, I'm messing this up. Comma true. Okay, and then I multiply this by 2. So I get a p-value of this 0.0006. And so we're comparing that to what? Well, if I go back through here, so it says to use a significance level of 0.01. So that's the alpha that I'm comparing to, 0.01. So is this value less than 0.01? For sure. So we can reject the null hypothesis. And so we can conclude that indeed there is a difference in just the way that we're trying to phrase this. So is there a significant difference between the percentage of residents in this country versus the local province? There is a statistically significant difference.